What's up, guys? Brian, Callahan Garage. So I wanted to show you guys this because I know a lot of people have this problem. The reason why I know that people have this problem is because I find broken ears on transmissions because they try to use the bolt to pull in the transmission. So you get transmission, you get that last little half inch or inch, and you can't get it in. And I'll show you why. So this is out of a transmission, and what it is this is made of plastic. So this will bend just enough to slide in and be coming in and out easy. This, however, won't. So what happens is you get this slid in, and it's just hitting the top part of that little bearing, and it's stopping it from actually going in. But instead of hitting it with a sledgehammer, which I've seen people hit this with a sledgehammer, I've seen them hit this with a sledgehammer, I've seen them pound at these things. What you do is, if the clutch cable is hooked up, you have somebody slowly apply the clutch while you put pressure, and they'll slide right in. I'm going to show you how to do it real quick. Let me just change the camera angle. All right, so what I'm going to do is have Tyler hold the back of the transmission. I have somebody up in the car. Go ahead and press that clutch just a tiny bit, and then just press that clutch a little bit, and Tyler's going to try to slide it in, shake it in. Pops right in every time. So what happens is when you get it off aligned, just a tiny bit, and it won't go in. But by putting that little pressure on that clutch, it helps that plate just move just ever so slightly. And then you're not hitting it with a hammer and trying to get this thing in there. It works every time on any manual transmission as long as you can activate the clutch just a tiny bit. Anyways, just a little trick I showed you. Thanks for watching. Callahan Garage, make sure you like and subscribe. Yeah, that's what people do. They break ears off because they try to use the bolts. Yep, so nice and easy.